The narrator introduces the ancient land of China, where myths and legends of dragons have been passed down through generations. The scene is set with mist-covered mountains and tranquil rivers, creating an aura of mystery and wonder. The narrator delves into the history of dragon riders, highlighting their legendary feats and the bond they shared with these mythical creatures. Only the bravest and most skilled warriors were chosen to become dragon riders, a tradition that has faded with time. We meet Liang, a young peasant with dreams of becoming a dragon rider. His fascination with dragons is evident as he gazes at the skies, yearning for adventure beyond his humble village. Liang's path crosses with General Wei, a renowned dragon rider leading a squadron of riders on a mission. Liang witnesses their prowess in battle against a rogue dragon, igniting his desire to join their ranks. General Wei recognizes potential in Liang and agrees to train him in the ways of dragon riding. Liang undergoes rigorous training, learning aerial maneuvers, combat skills, and the ancient art of dragon bonding. Through trials and challenges, Liang forms a deep bond with his dragon companion, a majestic creature named Feng Huang. Their connection strengthens as they learn to trust and rely on each other. Tensions escalate in the kingdom as rumors spread of a rogue warlord, General Fang, seeking to control dragons for his own ambitions. General Wei and his riders prepare for potential conflict, sensing the impending danger. Liang befriends Mei, a skilled archer and fellow dragon rider in General Wei's squadron. Their camaraderie grows as they train together and share a common goal of protecting the dragons from those who seek to exploit them. General Wei's trusted ally, Captain Shen, is revealed to be working with General Fang, leading to a betrayal that shakes the dragon riders' unity. Liang and his allies must navigate treacherous waters as loyalties are tested. General Fang unleashes captured dragons against the kingdom, wreaking havoc and instilling fear among the populace. Liang and the dragon riders engage in fierce battles to defend their land and the honor of dragonkind. With the kingdom in turmoil, General Wei calls upon all able-bodied warriors and dragon riders to unite against General Fang's forces. Liang, Mei, and their allies prepare for the ultimate showdown, knowing that the fate of China hangs in the balance. Epic aerial battles unfold as dragon riders clash with enemy forces led by General Fang. Fire-breathing dragons illuminate the skies, showcasing the power and majesty of these ancient creatures in a battle for supremacy. Amidst the chaos of war, sacrifices are made and lives are lost. Liang experiences heartache and grief as he witnesses the toll of battle, strengthening his resolve to fight for justice and honor. In the midst of adversity, Liang rises as a leader, rallying his fellow dragon riders and allies to stand united against tyranny. Their courage and determination inspire hope among the people, leading to a turning point in the conflict. The final battle unfolds with Liang and General Fang facing off in a duel of honor and destiny. Through courage, sacrifice, and the power of their dragon companions, Liang emerges victorious, ushering in a new era of peace and unity in ancient China, where dragons and their riders are revered once again.